Understanding, Lay Out Big Bucks, a guide to English slang. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in casual conversations. We're going to explore what it means to lay out big bucks. This phrase is a colorful way to talk about spending money, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, let's break it down together. When someone says they're going to lay out big bucks, they're talking about spending a large amount of money on something. This phrase is informal and often used to emphasize the significance of the amount being spent. It can be used in various contexts, from personal purchases to business investments. The key here is the notion of spending eagerly or willingly, but also the implication that the amount is noteworthy. To better understand how lay out big bucks is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal purchases. I had to lay out big bucks for my new laptop, but it was totally worth it. 2. Business investments. The company laid out big bucks for the new marketing campaign. 3. Special occasions. They laid out big bucks for their wedding venue. These examples show that whether it's a personal choice or a business decision, the phrase highlights the substantial investment involved. Learning synonyms and related phrases can help enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few related to lay out big bucks. Spend a fortune, shell out, pay top dollar, break the bank. Each of these expresses a similar idea of spending a significant amount of money, but with slightly different nuances. For English learners, it's important to remember that lay out big bucks is an informal phrase best used in casual conversations or in contexts where a relaxed tone is appropriate. It's also a great example of how English speakers often use vivid language to describe everyday actions like spending money. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to lay out big bucks, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. English is full of colorful expressions like this one, and learning them can make your communication more vibrant and expressive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences. See you in the next video.